If lift coefficient at thrust required minimum is 0.85 and induced drag factor K is 0.0085, then find the approximate value of drag coefficient at zero lift. A 0.0061, B 0.061, C 0.61, D 6.1. The correct answer is 0.0061. An aircraft has to be designed to operate at aerodynamic efficiency of 10 at cruise. Find the required thrust-to-weight ratio for maintaining this unaccelerated steady level flight. A 0.1, B 0.6, C 1.5, D 10.45. The correct answer is 0.1. We can design our aircraft to cruise for three different lift-to-drag ratio. Lift-to-drag ratio are as follows: 10, 12, and 11.25. Now if we want to reduce thrust required to fly, then at which value of lift-to-drag ratio our aircraft needs to be designed so that it can operate with minimum thrust required? A 12, B 10, C 11.25, D 10.62. The correct answer is 12. If my aircraft is in steady level flight and has thrust of 100 unit, then what will be the approximate value of time Easter if change of aircraft weight? Consider SFC as C unit. A 100 C, B 1000, C 1.25, D 5.43. The correct answer is 100 C. Let us consider our aircraft has to generate thrust of 150 kN during cruise. If at the cruise thrust loading is 0.86, then at which value of lift our aircraft is flying? A 174.4 kN, B 450 kN, C 100 N, D 174 N. The correct answer is 174.4 kN. Find the drag at which thrust required is minimum. Consider CD0 as 0.015 and reference area is 5 m2. Consider steady level flight with Q of 15 pa. A 2.25 n, B 22.5 n, C 225 n, D 2250 n. The correct answer is 2.25 n. If an aircraft is in steady level flight and weighs 2,500 kilograms, then find lift at the given flight condition. A 24.525 kN, B 24,525 kilograms, C 2,500 N, D 35,000 kilograms. The correct answer is 24.525 kN. An aircraft is designed with lift coefficient of 1.1 during steady level flight. If dynamic pressure is set to be 25.65 pa, then find weight of aircraft during this flight condition. A 28.215 N per unit area, B 30 kilograms, C 59 N, D 125.25 N. The correct answer is 28.215 N per unit area. Find climb angle of climb gradient is 0.6. Assume non-accelerated flight. A 31, B 1.2, C 4.5 rad, D 9.94. The correct answer is 31. An aircraft is designed to be in steady level flight with weight of 1500 N and CL of 1.0. Determine at which speed we need to design this aircraft so that it can achieve this requirement. Consider density as 1.2 kg m3 and reference area as 2 m2. A 35.35 ms, B 56 m min, C 56 ms, D 70 km s. The correct answer is 35.35 ms. Find the velocity for minimum thrust required at steady level flight if wing loading is 75 Nm2 and induced drag factor K is 0.0025. Consider CD0 as 0.02 and density as sea level. A6.45 ms. B97 ms. C120 ms. D75 ms. The correct answer is 6.45 ms. Which of the following is required condition of thrust required minimum? ACLCD0K 0.5. BCLCD0 0.21. CCLCD0K 1.5. DCL 0.5. The correct answer is CLCD0K 0.5. Which of the following is not part of takeoff? A. Ground roll. B. Transition. C. Climb. D. Descending. The correct answer is ground roll. Which of the following is correct for steady level flight? A. TD. B. TD. C. DT. D. LW. The correct answer is TD. Segment marked by in the diagram is called A. Typical ground roll. B. Cruise path. C. Flight path angle. D. Free stream velocity. The correct answer is typical ground roll.